Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today, we are going to be showing you every single DoorDash order that we get. We just made platinum. This is going to be my very first day as a platinum DoorDash driver, guys. I'm currently paused right now. I've been paused since I got up here because I like to drive up to my little area before I get started. But we finna see what DoorDash has in store for me as a platinum driver for the very first time. And hopefully I can make some good money. I've been suffering a lot to get to this point. Taking lots of bad offers, orders that I would consider trash, dealing with customers that's been knocking my customer rating down. My average weekly earnings has been down. My morale has been down. Everything has been down. So I'm excited for it to go back up now that I'm platinum. Hopefully. I've got my hopes high. I'm in a good mood. Vibes are looking good. But I ain't got nothing to eat yet. So we need to go ahead and get that fixed. But let's see if we can get a couple dollars on the board. I'm trying to get 5 orders done today, guys. So let's see if DoorDash is going to treat me right within these 5 orders. I might as well go ahead and unpause it now. See what they send us. As you can see, we got that good old platinum status. I wonder what this first order going to be. It'd be nice if it was actually something good, worth my time. 5 orders is all we need. What? We actually got a platinum order. 650, 2.7 miles. High-paying order. It don't got no plus signs on it. Order number 1 looks like we heading over to Firehouse Subs. And that's perfect because it's actually right up here. We like less than a half a mile away. That's perfect. So order number 1, let's see how this day goes. So far, so good. Order, we just got it done. I felt very safe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 650, 450 tip. What's the next order gonna be, DoorDash? We ain't got nothing but space and opportunity. What is it gonna be? I need it to be something reasonable too because you've been really running me through the ringer these last, 4-5 days. We got Sonic drive-thru, Twisted Biscuit right across the street. It's a McDonald's across the street. Not really trying to go there. What else we got? We got a Starbucks right here. And we also got a Wendy's. Viva La Fiesta is also over there. And then we got McAllister's Deli and Subway right down the street. You got to make sure you know your market. It's also a little sushi spot over there, Poke Munch. And Bella Milano as well. We platinum that, baby. So if there's some catering orders out there, send it to me. I got my catering bag. I am ready. I'm ready to go. It's been too long. It's been probably over a year since I seen a catering order DoorDash. So trust me, there is that. I don't like that. But you know what? We got to dash. We got to make this money. So sometimes you got to deal with traffic. Ain't going to be too much you can do about it. All right, y'all heard. We got an order coming in. Let's go ahead and have a look. It's $7 for 4 miles. It ain't the sexiest order in the world, but look. It ain't a bad order. And we right here by Chick Salad Chick. I'm about to make this left turn and we finna pick up, let's see, we got 4 items on this one. We got a 32-ounce fountain drink, a chicken sandwich, a chicken soup with a croissant, and another chicken sandwich. All right, I'm cool with this. $7, 4.4 miles, order number 2. This one is not a platinum order, but that's all right because at least the order that's not platinum is not something with super far distance or straight upside down, which is what I have been seeing. This order that I'm getting right now is an order that I would have taken regardless of even if I was declining every single order. This would be an order I would take after declining a whole bunch of bad orders. So of course I'm gonna take it if I'm platinum. Ain't no issues right there. So that goes to show me that some of the orders that I typically take when I'm at a low acceptance rate, platinum drivers are being sent those same orders when it ain't no super high paying tipping customer out there. So that lowers my chances of getting some of these standard good orders when there's a lot of platinum dashers out here. Because as you can see, this order had no platinum banner on it. This is what I would consider just a regular order, a nice, decent order. Nothing special, no extracurricular earnings, but you can do this order all day long and you can be profitable at the end of the day. And look, just like that, we already here. The pickup time on this one is 1:20, so it's a few minutes away. We do have that 32-ounce fountain drink on this one. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and give them a few seconds to go ahead and get it together. Because you know what? When DoorDash treating me good like this, it puts me in a good mood. It's been a very long time since I got 2 decent orders to start out with. And also, let me know what you think about these new glasses because my old ones is getting a little crusty. And all these no-tip customers was crusting up my glasses frame, so I had to go ahead and replace that. Shout out to all the no-tip customers that helped me get up to platinum. So we just got it dropped off. It was another hand to me. $5 tip from that customer. We are at $11. No, not $11. I'm tripping. We are at $13.50. Let's see what come in next. That's order number 2. Our acceptance rate has only gone up by 1 point. We at 71%, and we 2 orders into the shift. We just got done smashing some crazy puffs from Little Caesars. I needed me something cheap. It only costed $5, and I feel great. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpause DoorDash. We looking for order number 3. Stop playing with me. My day has been going lovely so far. We at $13.50. I technically should subtract $5.50 for the food I just ate, the money I just spent. But you gotta eat, right? I ain't pack a lunch, so I gotta spend some money. I'm not taking it out of my earnings. It looks like it's not too busy out here right now, but that don't mean nothing. We plat now, baby. We don't need it to be busy. We don't need no schedule. We don't need none of that. All we need. Come on, what's it gonna be? Order number 3. All right, looks like we got one coming in. Have a look at it. Ooh, this one is bad. This one is bad. We got $6.50 for 7 miles. Oh my goodness, that's bad. Order number 3. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Make y'all proud of me, right? Ooh, this order is bad. Chipotle Chicken Club going all the way down the highway. Oh, yep, this is definitely bad. Let me see. Still at a 71. Still at a 71. Oh my goodness. So we finna knock out this little ass $6 order. Make my stomach hurt just thinking about it, y'all. This is crazy. At least I'm parked right next door to it, though. I just got done eating my little, hey, at least I get to make $5 back. All right, give me a little money back for that food I just bought. But man, to go all the way down the highway, I'm gonna need another trip once I get down there, because otherwise we're gonna be driving 7 miles back round trip, and that really don't leave no profit on that. Pickup time is 2:08. It's currently 2:05. But I mean, it's only a Chipotle Chicken Club, so I mean, they should have it ready, right? Well, either way, we're gonna find out together, because we could probably order the sandwich from somewhere close to where they at, but they want this one. So this is the shout out to my peoples at Tropical Smoothie Cafe. They always very nice. Usually don't never be packed up in here. Let's go have a look. We picking up for Samantha. Yeah, they got it going on. Hello. Yes, I'm picking up for Samantha. Right here? Yep. Awesome, thank you so much. Look at that. Order ready to go. Hey, at least we got that going for us. So now we just gotta get it to the customer permit, see if it's a hand to me. We on our way. Maybe that's why DoorDash sent it to me, because they know it was ready to go, even though the pickup time is still a couple minutes out. Maybe that's why they did it to me. I don't know. But let's see if I can make this a green light. If I make this a green light, I'll be all right. But if I don't, then you already know what it is. Wow, 7 miles away for a sandwich from a smoothie shop, if you can even believe it, boy. I swear, sometimes DoorDash be having you on some questionable deliveries, and this is definitely one of them right here. I cannot believe it. But you know what? We made it. No complaints. Let's just get this thing dropped off, and let's make it to our next one. And they got these trash cans in the street like they ain't got no common sense. You know what? Be quiet, trader. Be quiet. Pick up the order and drop it off. That's it. Shut your ass up. Boy, these raggedy bastards done tipped $2. Order some down the highway. Makes no sense. Man, looky here, guys. If I wasn't worried about no acceptance rate, ain't no way they would have been my customer. But I don't got the luxury to do all that right now. So I guess I just got to deal with it and keep it moving. Now, we driving away right now. No order has came in. We are sitting at $20. We technically been out here for what, an hour and a half? So that's not great. So even at platinum, you still ain't doing too good. Let me see. We've been dashing since, let me make sure I'm accurate. It's a dashing since 12:10. Now I must have started it when I was at the house, so that don't technically count. Then I left at 12:30, went up to Sam's Club, got that gas. All right, so I know we had this thing going since at least 12:45. So 1:45, that we an hour and a half in, we sitting at $20. If DoorDash sends me another order before I make it all the way back, we will be okay. If not, then I'm definitely gonna be sitting at $20 for the first 2 hours, because even if I get an order, once I make it all the way back, I gotta get there, pick it up, drop it off. That may take another 30 minutes right there, depending on what kind of order it is. So, all right, so after driving the full 7 miles round trip back, I feel lucky. Let's go ahead and unpause this thing, see what's going on. It's 2:32, y'all. So y'all already know what that means. We in that little time of day where everything be super slow. I'm just looking for order number 4. Can we get it right now? I'm ready to go. No? You ain't got nothing for me? I gotta get a little closer to McDonald's, little Wingstop action, little Taco Bell for that taco smell, send your stomach straight to Taco Hell. That what you want, DoorDash? You want me to go to Chipotle? Huh? That what you want? Want me to pull over? Come on, man, send me an order, stop playing. All right, guys, I was sitting here. We got one coming in right now. I seen it said Bella Milano. Oh my goodness, y'all. We just got $3 for 8 miles. What is this? This ain't no Caterade. Oh my goodness, y'all. We gonna accept it. $3 order at Bella Milano. What is going on? What is going on? This is all bad, man. Order number 4, and I'm still at a 71%. Oh my God. Boy, if it ain't no cash tip on this order, I'm about to uninstall this app. Oh my goodness, this is so bad. And I'm sitting at Chick-fil-A too. That's the worst part. You know, Chick-fil-A is my spot, boy. $3. What is this customer on, bro? What is they on? And it said Bella Milano. What the? Oh man. $3, 8 miles. This is crazy. I don't like this at all. And I just came back from a freaking, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's 2 bad orders back to back. Man, Platinum is a scam. DoorDash done scam me. Oh my goodness, y'all. What am I gonna do? I can't make money like this. Man, this is my first day as a Platinum driver, DoorDash. My very first day. You got to take it easy, man. What is this? It better be a cash tip. I'm talking about a straight 20. If they don't got no 20, oh, what is going on? And I think this joint going to the hospital, man. This is not good, y'all. This is not good at all. You know, I was hoping for a better experience by reaching the platinum status. We skipped gold status and went straight to platinum. So in my market, they changed the requirements for the DoorDash tier rewards system. 50% acceptance rate with a 4.7 gets you silver. 50% acceptance rate, period, gets you silver. So for gold, you need a 70 acceptance rate with a 4.5 customer rating. And then for platinum, you need the exact same thing, 70% with a 4.7, but you also have to have 100 delivered. So it's crazy. No, I think I said it wrong again. We finna start all the way over. For platinum, and I'm gonna even throw up a screenshot right here to make it even more clear. Platinum, you need, look, silver and platinum is too close on the spectrum for them to be on the same thing. They should have made it something different. For silver, you need 50. Gold, you need 70% with a 4.5 customer rating. That's crazy. And for gold, you need the same 70% but a 4.7 customer rating. And additionally, you need 100 deliveries in the last 30 days. DoorDash be out here scamming, man. So basically, I skipped right from silver all the way over to platinum. Didn't even touch gold because my customer rating was good. So basically, anybody that's gold, the only reason you gold is because your acceptance rate high and you got ganked on an order. Somebody hit you with the 1-star special. That's kind of crazy if you really think about it. And this is trash. I'm about to be on this order all the way till 3 p.m. I'm gonna be on this order all the way to 3 p.m. That's gonna put us at 2 hours and 15 minutes. And if these people do not come out with a $20 cash tip, it's about to be $23 for all of that time. That's absolutely horrible, for real. But you know what? I didn't say my piece. We still got 5 miles to Bella Milano. That's crazy. That ain't 5 miles. Ain't no way. I know my zone. This is 2 miles over here. They tripping. This ain't no 5 miles. We got a 1 mile drive to Bella Milano. This order got badness written all over it. First of all, this is the 4th order in a row that we have accepted, and we're still at a 71%. That's very, very bad right there. Secondly, this is a $3 order coming from a super expensive spot where you order 2 things and the subtotal be over $100. So that's the second thing that's bad. Third, my app is glitching and it's thinking that I'm like 7 miles in another direction. So maybe I wasn't even supposed to see this order in the first place. I don't know. If this is a catering order, if I get there and they tell me to take a picture of this catering bag, that'll be a good thing. As far as me having a verified catering bag picture, that'll be the only thing. Like, I straight need a full $20 bill in my hand from the customer when I drop this off. Or this is straight up. I have confirmed arrival. They asked for no picture of the catering bag, guys. This is not good. This is a very, very bad lunchtime. I'm gonna let you know that right now. See, this is why I be only doing 5 orders at a time sometimes, because you never know how your day is gonna go. We started out good, and it tricked me. It really did. It tricked me. It had me thinking that I was finna have an okay DoorDash shift. Everything was gonna be alright. All my suffering was not in vain. This is what I'm thinking as I'm starting my shift, getting that first platinum order. Well, guess what? Joke's on me. It is not all good. No. You about to get the same trash orders that you've been getting. Only difference is at least we going to a slightly different change of scenery as far as where we picking up from. It's been a minute since I've been at Bella Milano, I will say that. Maybe picking up this order and successfully completing it will get me in the algorithm for this merchant. Maybe that'll increase my chances of seeing the catering order. I'm trying to make it happen some way. I don't know what to do. All I know is this is not lovely. That's the only thing I know. 2:57 is the time, guys. We got the order, we definitely waited on it. It was not ready. So needless to say, I'm not happy about that. We got a 6-mile drive, y'all. We got a whole 6-mile drive. It's gonna be $3.10 when I make it there. I'm telling you, if this customer don't got a $20 bill in their hand when I arrive for all this food, oh my goodness, boy, I'm about to be hot. I'm about to be straight hot because I done did all this work, delivered to all these clown customers to get away from these kind of deliveries. Let me find out this customer ain't tipping in cash and they want to order this expensive ass food. Might cuss them out. We accepted that first order at 12:49. The time right now is 3:08. So we've been out for 2 hours and 20 minutes, guys. We got $20 on the board already. I just picked up this crusty ass order from this crusty ass customer. $3 for 8 freaking miles at basically roof crit. If this customer do not give me $20 in cash, not only is they a sorry, miserable clown individual, but that also will mean that I'll only be at $23 for 2.5 hours, which is ass. They better come out with a 20 straight up. If they don't come out with no 20, I might end this dash and not even make it to 5 orders. This is order number 4 right here, and it's been absolutely horrible. Y'all about to see me pull up to this customer house, hand them this food, and let them not come out with 20 bucks, bro. I swear they some crusty people if they don't. Absolutely disgraceful, man. Who in their right mind orders this much damn food from this far away and don't tip? Let it not be 20 in cash. And they talking about hand to me. I'm taking a picture, boy. I'm not playing with these people. I'm not playing. This is crazy. $3 for 8 miles, man. I can't even believe it. They ain't respond to a message or nothing. And they got the nerve to request hand to me. Look at this shit. Fucking clowns, bro. Fucking clowns. $0 tip. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. $0 tip. Look at her clown ass. Ass. These motherfuckers some clowns. Ugly ass. Alright, let's get the hell up out.